In this video, let's see are Mercedes CLS wheel spacers good or bad? Let's check it. In fact, the correct installation of the radiator and high-quality wheel spacers will benefit your Mercedes CLS class. Mercedes wheel spacers are designed to reduce the offset while adding track width for your wheels. If you are going to change the CLS 300 wheels, it is possible you have run across aftermarket rims or tires, which often enhance Mercedes' performance and appearance. But these wheels are made to fit a range of different vehicles. There can be wand offset issues. It is important to know how to measure the wheel offset. Use a ruler to measure the gap between the wheel and the fender. The result is the wheel offset. Mercedes wheel spacers will reduce the offset. The lower the offset, the more your wheel will stick out, which is generally good to avoid any potential rubbing issues. Furthermore, wheel spacers also increase the back space. The more back space the wheel has, the more space it will offer for accommodating big breakage or other suspension components. By fitting big wheels and tires, Mercedes wheel spacers make your CLS look more aggressive. Few people can reject this cool stance. If you are looking for Mercedes wheel spacers with durability and are lightweight, then Bonus Fold Lightweight Plus Wheel Spacers Kit is a perfect option. The spacers are machined with hollow cut holes. Under the promise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, rules improves control performance, and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. Although Lightweight Plus costs an additional increase in production costs, for a better customer experience, we have maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade. If you have any question about the wheel spacers or wheel bolt, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.